but his men are still working on how to track down the dealers who escaped with some of their agents. He noted that the command is committed to chasing criminals out of the state, calling on residents to continue to supply useful information to the police.
Let me reiterate therefore that the Ogun State Police Command is committed to chasing drug barons, their agents and criminal associates out of business in the state. We will not relent in our efforts until this goal is achieved.
The Commissioner of Police noted that his men are out to wipe out criminals and, of course, those who are into drugs. He says the state will not be known as a state where criminals will continue to hibernate and fester. Kazim Olowe, TVC News.
And former Lagos State Governor Asiwaju Bola Tinubu has congratulated former interim chairman of the All Progressives Congress, Chief Bisi Akande, as he celebrates his 82nd birthday, describing him as a principled and visionary leader. He said he would not be where he is at present without the help and support Baba Akande has given him. In a statement through his media office, Asiwaju Tinubu described Chief Akande as a committed Democrat and a prudent yet compassionate leader of men who has done much for his country and for the progressive family. In addition to his able stewardship of Osun State, he has been a chief architect of our nation's progressive political parties. He adds, quote, Chief Akande is truly to be considered one of the few founding fathers of the APC, as his depth and diplomatic performance as interim chairman of the APC confirmed he is one of the nation's leading statesmen, end quote. Asiwaju Tinubu prayed God Almighty grant him many more years in excellent time. That's the news this hour. We'll give you more update at 7. Thanks for watching.